How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampy's Workshop. Well, we got some rain last night, and we even had thunder and lightning. Yeah, for this time of year, that's weird and odd for us. But anyways, this morning, what did I just show you? The rain has stopped. It's just kind of foggy a little bit now. But anyway, we can check sap, so that's what I'm going to do. Going to get the bike out, hook the trailer on, go check, see if we have any sap. Might even put in a few more taps today, you never know. We'll see when we get out there. With all the rain, the snow that was in the woods here, the snow cover, a lot of it's turned to ice, so it's going to be pretty greasy going. Make sure I don't fall. So I tried to get this tree to wake up yesterday. Woke up a little, but not enough to collect. You got a ways to go yet there, old pal. Snap out of her. I got some sap in that fella. So this guy is going good. Got a 4 liter. Got 4 liters out of him. Sit there and don't fall over. So that's good. This guy's not as productive today. But we'll take what he's got to give. Here's another good one. Yesterday I had about the same amount in this one, so that's good. We'll take that. So I'm getting a pretty good run here. I'm not getting skunked, that's the main thing. Just a couple more buckets to check. Got a little bit here too, and then the last bucket right over there. We got about a liter in that fella too, so that'll do it. Then I'll pick up these and head out to the trailer and count her up. So we're back here, and I've got my sap put in the snow. So we ended up with 12 liters a day. That's not bad. But last night in that rainstorm, in the wind, we had a near catastrophe here. One of my little sap buckets tipped over because they got holes in the top. I lost half my bucket of sap. Oh well. So now instead of having like 33 liters of sap, I probably only have 30. But I'll get over it. And it's running good, so I'm going to go check them again tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny. And I didn't put any extra taps in today just because it was so wet and cold out there in the sugar bush, and it wasn't running that great. But I expect it's going to go tomorrow because it's supposed to get chilly tonight and then nice and warm tomorrow. So I'll put some more taps in probably tomorrow, and hopefully I have enough sap that maybe I can start to boil tomorrow, sweeten up my pans. Anyways, boys, I sure appreciate you having a look, see what's going on here at Grampy's workshop out in the sugar bush. It's nothing spectacular, and it's not the best way to make maple syrup. It's just a way an old fart in the woods makes maple syrup. Talk to you.